Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deposit paper cash into your Cash App account at a 7-Eleven store. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application. Once you've launched the app, you'll see the home page as displayed here. From the home page, proceed to the menu located at the bottom of the screen. The menu includes several options. Among them, tap the icon that resembles a bank. This action will take you to the banking section of Cash App, where you can access a variety of features to carry out transactions. Next, scroll down through the options. Locate the section labelled More Ways to Add Money. Within this section, you'll find additional options. Select the one titled Deposit Paper Money. Once you tap this option, the app will begin to load and you will be directed to a page featuring a map of deposit locations. Using the map, look for a nearby 7-Eleven store. You can also use the search bar at the top of the map to type 7-Eleven and find locations. After conducting the search, you will see several results. Select the 7-Eleven store closest to you from the list. When you tap on a store, a menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. This menu includes several options such as directions, show barcode, and copy address. From these options, choose Show Barcode. Now, visit the 7-Eleven store and ask the cashier to scan the barcode displayed on your phone. It's important to note that each transaction comes with a $1 fee. This fee will be deducted from your deposit amount. Additionally, be sure to read the information provided at the bottom of the screen regarding the maximum and minimum amounts you can deposit per transaction. Another key detail to keep in mind is that the barcode has an expiration time. Make sure the cashier scans the barcode before it expires. This is how you can deposit paper cash to Cash App at 7-Eleven. Thank you for watching.